Hi there! In today's video I am sharing 3 simple hands-on activities. They might look simple, but they quietly power up skills like fine motor skills, pre-writing, visual discrimination or cognitive skills. The templates for these games you can find on my Etsy shop, but I also made a freebie version for you, which you can download from my website if you would like to try them out. I will leave the links in the description. And before we jump into this video, please don't forget to subscribe, to hit the like button, and to leave a comment with your thoughts. And as always, stay curious and happy learning. Bye!